Ashiatsu Oriental bar therapy has roots dating back thousands of years from cultures across Asia, India, Africa, and the Pacific Rim. Ashi means foot, and Atsu means pressure in Japanese. Ashiatsu Oriental bar therapy is ideal for athletes, those with back pain, those who love deep work, and those who simply want to try something new and different. This style of massage is helpful for treating degenerative disc disease, sciatica, chronic back and neck pain, hypertense core and leg muscles, and poor posture. Ashiatsu Oriental bar therapy is known as the deepest, most luxurious massage on earth.